have been killed and many others injured after a powerful earthquake struck southwest Morocco. Well, I'm joined now by BBC Arabic's Mohamed Taha, who is in our newsroom. So, Mohamed, just bring us up to date on the very latest, please.
Yes, good morning, Regina. So it's a state of shock, a state of horror, a state of devastation in the area around and in the city of Marrakesh, like in the middle of Morocco, and other cities around Marrakesh like Warzarat and Shishawa and Azilal. And of course, many villages in the Atlas mountains where it will be really difficult for rescue workers and for search people to reach these villages, very remote villages. That's why the number that you mentioned, 300 and tens of injured, that number is qualified to be much higher when the sun rises after like 45 minutes from now in Morocco.
And tell us more about the region where the epicenter is.
Yeah, the epicenter is outside the city of Marrakesh. It's a very old city. Is a historical city with cultural heritage. So we expect to see devastation around these areas. The areas has got lots of old buildings, as I just mentioned, and this early estimation of numbers are really expected to be higher. Luckily enough, the epicenter was outside the city, but hence people in the city and the other cities felt the earthquake. It is nearly 7 degrees on Richter scale. Even people in Algeria, the neighboring country, felt that massive and big earthquake. So it is a real tragedy in Morocco today. We expected to see these numbers rising in the coming hours, and there is a call at the moment in Morocco to give blood and to help the hospitals that became packed with injured people from the scale of this earthquake.
Okay, and just tell us briefly how challenging then, because you say this is a remote area where the epicenter was, how challenging is that rescue effort going to be?
It will be very challenging for the rescue people to reach the remote villages on top of the Atlas mountain and in between the valleys of these mountains. It will take days and days to understand the scale of devastation of this earthquake. The epicenter was in the Atlas mountains itself, and there are hundreds of villages in this area that it might be really difficult to reach.
Okay, Mohamed Taha, for the moment, thank you very much for bringing us the latest on that developing story. Now let's turn to here in